So hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have learned how to install Windows 11 on VM Workstation Player. So in this video we are going to learn some customization about the Windows 11. So in this video we will change the themes for the Windows, and we will change the dark mode, light mode and other modes as well. We will change its colors, fonts, etc. So without wasting any time, let's start the session. So first of all, you will have to go to the Windows menu and type here the personalization, and from here it is the list of all activated themes. But before that, you must have an activated version of Windows 11. If you do not have an activated version of Windows 11, you cannot see these options. So because I have the activated version, so I can easily change the themes. So I have the light theme currently available on my system, and I can change to the Windows dark mode. Double click on it and you can see the dark mode which is being set on the Windows 11. So I can see now my menu is dark, is black, and its foreground color is white. In the same way, I have other options as well. I can select the glow, and it has some different appearance. In the same way, I have other themes as well. So the captured motions, and you can see here the text and the colors is also being changed here. Sunrise, and in the same way, flow. So you can also set the custom theme, and you can also get more themes in Microsoft stores, which are also free and paid. Both versions are available on the Windows Microsoft Store. So as you can see here, there are a lot of window themes available here. So most of them are free, and you can select your desired theme from the Microsoft Store. So there are beautiful themes. Most of them are free versions, and you can see the ratings as well. So let me try a little tenderness theme. Double click on it and let me get it. Let me give the password. So after signing, I can install the theme. So okay, my theme is installed. Let me apply the theme. So guys, we have installed the tenderness theme. So this is enough for this session. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share our video, comment on our video, and subscribe to our channel, because we have been bringing a lot of tutorials and lectures about Windows 11 and other operating system. Bye bye.